podcast. We are Group 3 and today we are going to discussion about Englishes in Asia.
Okay, before we begin, we would like to introduce ourselves. First, my name is Jenita Risma and my friend.
My name is Karisma Dwi Syarani.
And I'm Muhammad Ganin Sarkan. You can call me Gani, right?
Okay, Gani. And
I'm Agni Pratista Brigianti, can call me Tista.
My name is Sarah Tupiftia, can call me Tia.
okay,
Okay.
we are from University.
Untak University.
Yeah.
Untak University, not
Yeah,
University.
we are.
Yeah, like that.
Same university.
Yeah. In one class, right? Yeah. Okay. Moderator. Yeah.
Okay, in this episode, we will compare four varieties of English. Singapore English, Malaysian English, Philippine English, and the last Indonesian English.
Okay, many people think there is only one correct English, but English is actually spoken in many different ways around the world.
Okay, that's right. Every country has its own culture, history, and language, which influence the way people use English. So, let's begin our discussion.
Okay.
Okay, Gani, let's call you explain it about Singapore English.
Singapore English.
Kamu tuh.
You know about international English language, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is in England or American English. In Singapore English, we use it. We use English for the national language in Singapore country. But there is some difference with international English. In Singapore, have two English. First, that's it. International language is there is number two. Singlish. We call it with Singlish. Singlish. You know about Singlish? Yeah, Singlish. Wow, that is. But the Singlish is Singapore English. Singapore English. Yeah. We in Singapore English, we use some word in the last paragraph on last we say like lah. You know about lah mean. There is not mean, but there is inside in word like can lah. I don't know lah. Yeah. You know in this lah word from China or Chinese people, because in Singapore I think many people for another country like Chinese or Japanese or some like Europe too, yeah. You know about how these people from Chinese, Japan or something somewhere place in the Singapore land. Yeah. In World War II, Japan was defeated, and in the World War II, many people from Japan and Chinese run to Singapore land. Yeah, Singapore land. This is empty land, empty island, and Chinese people, Japan people come there to build their own country. Yeah,
Yes.
and now we call it in Singapore. That's why the language is English, but the accent still like a Japanese or Korean or Chinese, yeah, like that.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe that's about Singapore English.
Okay.
That's really interesting. I didn't know that one small word like kan lah.
Yeah, can lah. It's like yeah, that's imbuhan. Apa sih imbuhan? What's this imbuhan? lah. Yeah, there's nothing meaning in the lah.
Kata tambah.
Yeah, that's we usually use it in the last word like can lah. Yeah, in Indonesia we use many other word in the last word like right in Indonesia. In Singapore we usually use lah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so how about Malaysian English?
Malaysian English not different like Singapore English. It's like the same thing, but in Malaysia we have another country again like Indian and Melayu. Yeah,
Okay.
you know about Melayu movies
Oh
like
yeah, Upin Ipin.
yeah, Philippines. There is
yeah,
something
yeah.
again, Bobo Boy or Agent Ali or something.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
watch
yeah,
movie.
yeah. You watch this movie?
Yeah.
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 In Malaysia, we real mixing with Melayu language and English language. Like, let's makan first. That is real mixing with English and not English word. Like you know about makan. Like another example, like jom lah, come with me. Like that's Malaysian English. Yeah. So in Malaysia, there is many people from India, right? In here, for now, and sometimes in some place, you find out about Malaysian English mixed with Melayu and mixed with Indian language. There is 3 complement in one language. Yeah, like that is Malaysia. And also in Malaysia language, we use lah too, like a Singapore English. Yeah, jom makan first. Jom lah. Come on lah.
Talk about culture.
Yeah.
Do you know batik?
Batik, alright. Batik.
Many people from Malaysia say it's from Malaysian,
Yeah.
but in Indonesian different. How about your opinion, Kenny?
In my opinion, this is my opinion.
Yeah.
Don't judge me. In my opinion, batik that's from Indonesia.
Why?
Why? Because in the past,
Okay.
before Malaysian know about batik, Indonesian here in Indonesia, Indonesian people that wear the batik in their clothes. Yeah. In the World War II, you know about photo from the past, like in Bali, example, there is used batik from the past, like 100 year ago, right? Yeah. In the past, yeah, like that. I think batik from Indonesia, not from Malaysia. Like rendang, yeah, you know rendang. Rendang that is from Indonesia, not from Malaysia. In Malaysia we call rendang.
Rendang.
Rendang, like that. Yeah. That is so funny. Malaysia is a funny country. I don't know. We use Melayu language or English language or Indian language or another language, another that. Yeah, because everyone mix this language, bro. 3 language mixing. Yeah, complement with. There is one language. Yeah. In Kuala Lumpur we use English. In some place we use Indian. In some place again we use Melayu. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Okay, that's a good example.
Yeah.
Even though Singaporean English and Malaysian English are similar, they still have their own unique characteristic.
Karakteristik ya. Karakteristik in Malaysian and Singapore. Maybe in the pronunciation. Yeah, pronunciation. If you heard in Malaysian or Singapore speak English, you know there is
Yes.
there is Singapore people, there is Malaysian people because there is some Melayu in their word.
Yeah, so
some-
different.
yeah, so different with another country lah. Okay, that's it. I think.
Okay, thank you your explanation, Gani.
Okay.
Now let's move to Philippine English. Tista, can you explain it?
Okay, sure. English is one of the official language in the Philippines. Students learn English from elementary school, so many Filipinos speak English fluently. Their pronunciation is closer to American English because of the historical influence of the United States. English is commonly asked in school, television, business, government, and customer service.
Okay, that's why. Let's explain why many Filipinos are confident English speaker.
The vocabulary is mostly standard English, but Filipinos sometimes ask local expressions from Filipino language. Overall, Philippine English is considered one the strongest English varieties in Asia.
Okay, thank you, Tista. That was
Yeah.
very informative.
Thank you.
But I would ask, in Philippines, there's not traditional national language another English like. In Singapore we have Singlish. In Malaysia we have Melayu. What's language different in Philippines or just English? Not like Indonesia. There is bahasa Indonesia and English, right?
Yeah.
In Philippines, there is not like Sawadee-hap. There is Philippine.
No.
Thailand.
Thailand.
Oh, Thailand. Yeah, that's Thailand. I forgot.
No,
I think that's from Filipinos.
No.
No. Yeah.
In Philippines, Tagalog.
Oh,
Yeah,
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Yeah. Oh, you have a traditional language lah, like.
Yeah.
Okay. Continue.
Okay, thank you, Tista. Now let's talk about Indonesia. We're from Indonesia, right?
I'm very excited with this. I'm very excited with this.
Indonesia. Okay, thank you. Unlike Singapore and the Philippines, English is not an official language in Indonesia. English is learned as a foreign language in schools and universities. Many Indonesians can understand English, but they may still feel shy when speaking. Indonesia English is influenced by Bahasa Indonesia, especially in pronunciation and sentence structure. For example, some learners pronounce words exactly as they are written. However, English is becoming more important because of tourism, business, international education, and social media. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's true. Many Indonesian students understand English, but they still need more opportunities to practice speaking, like our.
I agree.
Like us.
Like-
You want like this?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. But I was come to Bali last month, and there everyone talk with English, not Indonesia. Can you explain about that? Maybe.
Because there are many immigrants from various countries, many people in Bali use English.
Oh, like tourism or something. Oh, right.
Many people.
Yeah. Yeah, you can drink it.
Yes, thank you.
But this is not endorsed. Not endorsed from. Okay, continue. Maybe. There's nothing again. I wanna ask to Indonesian. why Indonesia not use English for their national language?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, why? Why? Tia.
Yes.
Why Indonesia no use English for the national language? But or anyone can explain it?
Because in the past, Indonesia not colonized by England.
England.
English.
Yeah, England.
Like Malaysian or Philippines.
Oh,
Okay.
I think so like that. And just in Indonesia, just use English for the education.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Like us, yeah, like us.
For daily, Indonesia not use.
Yeah. Yesterday, I talked with people in Banyuwangi, in the city, with English. I think I'm from Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah, because you know in BEC,
Oh,
Yeah.
BEC when in Banyuwangi there is BEC, I'm use English to buy some rujak.
Oh,
Yeah. I use English and unexpected rujak seller
Yeah.
can speak English.
Oh.
Can you speak English? And she said, where you from? Guess me where I from.
Mm.
I guess you from Thailand. I spontan like sawadee-hap like that. Yeah, but I think in Indonesia many people can talk English, can speak English, but no, not use for everyday,
Oh,
for
yeah.
daily use lah, like that. Different with Malaysia.
Yep.
Yeah, we have Melayu language, but in daily life we usually use English and Melayu mix. I think when Indonesia language or traditional Indonesia language mix with English, that's so funny. Like
Yep.
Japanese mixing with English, like you alright. Become to you rapopo. That's so funny, right? Yeah. You rapopo. Yeah. You eat the ingi. Yeah. That's so funny when Indonesia mix with English. Different with Melayu, just we usually use this mix language lah.
Okay, which variety do you think is easiest to understand?
Okay,
Me.
Yeah.
Oh, I think Malaysia. Malaysia English is very easy because
Why Malaysia?
you can mix with
Yeah.
Melayu, right?
Oh, yeah.
I think Melayu is very easy because like Indonesia language, that's mixing out. If you can speak English, you can speak Malaysia or Melayu, yeah, like that. Just very easy to say it.
Okay, Tista, choose one their country, their language, for your daily maybe.
So easy.
Malaysian English.
Yeah, so easy.
Oh.
You.
Malaysian English.
Why Malaysian?
Very easy.
Very
Yeah,
easy.
you can mix with another language, right? Yeah.
And with Kenny.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. How about Tia?
I think Indonesian.
Yeah.
Why Indonesia English?
Indonesian English.
Because
It's you from Indonesia.
I think like that.
Indonesia.
Yeah, local people.
Yeah,
Some
local
people.
people.
Because it's easy to mix language.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, guys, maybe that's all for us, and thank you for listening our podcast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but always we are humble, guys.
Okay.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh. See you. Bye.